of a one. There's a tuxedo cat in the corner of the room, staring at the wall like a speaking interrune. His green eyes glowing, but the signal's kinda weak. Brain buffering slowly, loading all week. She jumps for the kibble with heroic might, misses by a mile, gravity wins the fight. Falls on the floor with the grace of a brick, then she just lays there like, yeah, I meant to do that trick. Little pink nose, fluffy black and white. The lights are on, but nobody's inside. Wi-Fi the cat, brain on airplane mode, screaming for dinner like a frog on overload. Echoing through the hall, but she just wants us watching while she eats it all. Wi-Fi kisa, pieni sekkopää tuijottaa tyttyyteen eikä mitä näe. Koko talo tietää, että nyt on ruoka ja kaikki saa katsoo. She jumps on the table, well tries to land, misses the edge like it's part of the plan. Pooped on the carpet, dignity gone. She freezes completely like nothing went wrong. Then slowly stands with a distant stare, like she's calculating quantum air. But no, just static behind those eyes, a cosmic void where the brain should lie. Floor food disaster, soft little gremlin. Operating system permanently loading. Wi-Fi the cat, brain on airplane mode, screaming for dinner like a frog on overload. Echoing through the hall, but she just wants us watching while she eats it all. Wi-Fi kisa, pieni sekkopää, huuto kuuluu ruokalis. Kaikki katsoo kun se syö, kuninkaallinen tyhmyysshow. But here's the twist in this strange little tale. She watches us when we go to the door. Well, jail. Wi-Fi-kisa seuraa hiljaa, kun Nittinen menee vessaan yksinään. Tuijottaa kuin vartija ovelta, hyvin menee, jatka vaan. Wi-Fi the cat, brain on airplane mode, soft little cloud with a broken code. She screams for food like the world will end, then stares at a wall like it's her best friend. Wi-Fi-kisa, pörröinen pää, ei ajatuksia, pelkkää sätöä. Mutta vaikka tyhmä se ehkä on, se on meidän pieni karvapallo.